This is nice. Look! I love the flowers so much. Hello, welcome to Imi Creatives, where fun and art collide. Today we are going to make flowers using ladies' fingers. Do you know this? Some people call it okra. So today we are going to have fun. Can you see? If you don't have it at home, please make sure you save this video so that you can do it later. Alright, so I want you to have a cutter because you're going to use the cutter. You need paint, brushes in case we are going to use the brushes, water marker. You need to have, in case you need, okay? We need to have all these, pair of scissors, but don't forget your pencil and your book. So are you ready to dive in with me? Okay, then let's get started. Okay, this is my lady's finger. I'm going to use the cutter to cut it because we need to cut it round like this, but be careful when you're cutting so you can remove the seeds because I need this part here. Okay, cut like that. Remove the seeds away. Alright, that's what I need. Look here, this is so beautiful. So we need paint. Orange, need red. I'm going to have a yellow flower and I will have a blue flower. Okay, and I will need green to put the stalk to make the stem. Nice. We shall need one more here. Oh yeah. So I can make some leaves. I can make some design. It's a design because we're making a flower. You can make a design like that. You see my design? It's like a leaf, a folded leaf. All right, this is so beautiful. And I can make this one this side. Any direction you choose, it's okay with me. Okay, so this one is done. I put. Now I'm going to pick my lady's finger that I've cut. I'll pick paint of my choice. And I will use this. When you're putting, make sure that you see how I'm putting? After putting like this, you put it there. Look, it's so beautiful. Wow. Oh dear, this is so nice. There we go. Wow, look, it's so nice, so beautiful. You see? Remember what you're using? Ladies' fingers. Wow. I need to add another one here. Oh, painting is not hard at all, whether you are big or small. Painting is not hard at all, so come on, paint with me. Look, this is so beautiful. So I'm going to pick another lady's finger and I use another color of paint. This time I'm going to use yellow. There we go. There. Wow, look at that. Making a design out of it. This is nice. So I love the flowers so much. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, this is so nice. Look how my work looks like. This is so beautiful. So after finishing making your flowers, you can create some border. You can put a border. I told you we can even use the earbuds to make some border around it. So you just drop. Look how my border looks like. This is so cool. See, after putting a border like this, you can even put it on your wall and it looks so beautiful. Okay, so I hope your work also look exactly like mine or better than mine. Okay, after doing this, you can get a deeper color of green to put the finishing so that it can look complete. Okay, that's it. That is it. Wow, I hope you have finished your work so well and you had fun during our art session. Thank you so much for being with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.